So, beautiful Sunday, and headed over to the GCFCE, see what Dan's gotten up to. I think you can see Miles is behind us. He's got the old Monaco out today, so it's a bit of a poly parade over to Dan's, so not bad. Great. I haven't driven the Fury this year. Really fun. Nice to get it out. Seems to be behaving very well, and just always just a real treat to take this thing out for a drive. Nice to remember why he did all the work. I'm obviously never going to spend as many hours driving this car as I did putting it together, but you know, I didn't build it because I need to go somewhere. It's just a nice thing to have. You got to exercise it a little bit, so we're exercising it today, and obviously a very nice day for it. Just driving beautifully. One of the things I'm most happy about this car is how quiet it is inside. See, I got the windows down, but other than that, you hardly know it's running. Got the Marvin the Martian dashboard going. Everything in the back framed with the big tail fins. Bunch of cameras and shit. So not the worst day overall. Probably go for a motorcycle ride with Bun later. So just going to enjoy a little bit of Sunday here. It's almost like a day off, except you're still filming all the time. Spent some time on this, eh? Ooh.
That one has it down.
4 high or 4 low. The Jeep trucks have a low later on.
Maybe it's high, low lock or something. I can't remember what it was. But they were.
It looks great. I wouldn't do it anymore.
At the top. So far I've done the trunk. I haven't waxed the sides yet. So I still want to do a little bit more polishing, but.
Yeah, it looks man.
Crazy, right?
Yeah. It would be. Where'd you find this? Classic. Like it works. It's not a lot of weird options.
It's not a big.
What are you doing here?
Well, the shitty Proform distributor has clearly eaten the rotor apart. And I'm throwing it there. I'm taking it. They have, anyways.
Okay.
And I've gone back to a points distributor.
Nice. Yeah.
And putting Pertronics in it.
Yeah, great.
And you know what? It worked in my Jeep every single time I've turned the key. It's always started. Ooh.
Sure.
New carburetor since last time, eh? The thermal bob's gone. Yeah.
This thing's not going to know what hit it.
It runs really good with this car, but it was just something was wrong with the ignition.
Yeah, yeah.
Anyway,
well,
that's the most I can gap it, I guess. That's the most I can allow it to go out. Like, it literally won't go any further unless I start
30 thou is half of a 16th, right?
But it says here, loose. Plastic feeler gauge.
Is loose.
Or using a 30 thou feeler gauge.
Okay.
Oh, I see. So this is probably bigger than 30 thou.
Well, if that's loose, that's probably 25, right?
Well, it says, I'll just grab an actual feeler gauge and do this.
Yeah, whatever.
Is that enough? Well, we'll go to 14 if we need to. Tap the gas. Just get the choke closed. That'll work.
Nice.
Okay, hit the key. Crank. Yeah.
not even moving. It's like glass under there. Happy? Shut it off. I don't know.
It has. I'm just gonna move this coil over so I can move the distributor. It has so much timing. It's not even funny.
Oh, is that why it started so nicely?
Okay, just hold on. Okay, let's back some of the timing out because it was like 38 initial there.
That's perfect.
That's a
Okay, just hit the key now.
You want me to start it?
Yeah. That's better. Okay, we'll let it warm up now.
The door ajar light works. It's nice. That seems mint.
It's a lot of initial timing still though. But it's also at 1160 RPM right now, so we gotta let it kind of warm up a little bit.
Nice.
There we go,
Wow.
there's my 750.
Nice.
No, it's still at like 31. $760's a touch too much for me. That'll be okay.
For in neutral, it is. For in,
It says here curb RPM 750, but
you turn it down a teeny bit.
there it's at 14 right there. That's at about 10, 11.
That seems really.
Yeah, it's about 10 to 12 initial now. So. And can you shut it off, Paul?
Oh, that runs really, really well.
Oh, yeah, way better. But as I was crying in the shower this morning after buying cars, after I said I wouldn't buy any more cars. That's a good thing. That's
You
a
had
good
a
thing.
relapse after 4 days, eh? Of course, you know, it's really, you
Ardrossan
can't beat
Anonymous.
yourself up too much buying cars like this. You know, like you're not like, oh god, another life-ruining shitbox. It's going to take me all evening to get this thing roadworthy.
I know.
Okay, we're getting full tour here.
Okay, that's...
That starts like it should. Fasten belts light.
Oh, I didn't close the hood.
Door ajar. Careful.
It's a door. Okay. This car could barely get out of its own way. In my...
Oh, I like that. The way they lit the dash.
And
It's nice.
one of my favorite features is the fuel miser thing on the fender.
Oh, you got that?
It
Nice.
should still work.
Yeah. Keep that vacuum low.
I just like cars when you punch them, they don't die.
Oh yeah.
That's what I like. That's my true test of time.
Yeah. No,
Oh, can you punch it and not dies in your own driveway? Okay, oh, that's problem solved. I don't know if this is going to be a problem solver though. Better turn some lights on here. Dark. Okay, well so far.
So far, it idles out of the garage pretty good. Yeah. Goes up and down at a moderate, sedate pace. Hey, nice 59 Impala.
Whose is that? These trade-ins are just getting worse and worse, hey?
Oh, look at this guy Who let that guy in here?
Hooligans everywhere. Is it run good now?
Yeah. You don't even hear it. Man, these cars love gravel, eh?
Yo, this is the ultimate. The only reason I'm doing this is because I have insurance on this car, so.
Yeah.
This car runs so much better.
Oh, it's perfect.
Yeah, it runs great.
It runs like new, yeah. Oh, you don't even hear the engine running at all.
Okay, so I'm just gonna jam the pedal to the floor. Didn't
It's
die.
fine.
Problem solved.
Yeah.
That's my test of.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it can't go poonk, poonk, poonk or quit, right? Hot start. Reach through the window. Perfect. To bingo.
Time for tires. Oh, maybe valve cover gaskets, hey?
Yeah, I noticed a slight
Yeah,
whiff.
the light whiff of the valve
Light
cover
whiff,
there.
but you know, you're so used to it, you don't even really smell it after a while. Look at him, eh? So you guys are lucky I'm letting you back in here. Don't ruin it.
It won't do it.
It won't do it
No,
ever.
It won't do it.
What,
I had to try.
221s.
What's that? I think it's got 294s, doesn't it? Oh, these would be 221s in these cars for sure. wouldn't
It's
they?
harsh, yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
No, you'd have better chance doing it in a city bus.
Is that a dare?
I suppose you could make it, but it just seems so.
I would buy a GMC bus.
The ultimate test would be leave it for 10 minutes.
That's what we're
Let
gonna
it cook.
Okay, so 10
the
minutes
test.
has gone by.
Oh,
Couldn't really ask for anything.
they weren't that good. You could literally say they weren't that good when they were new.
They weren't. Well, no, Wienberg sucked.
It sucked, right? Yeah.
I'm surprised there's no ball peen hammer marks in it, though. I guess when it worked, it worked. I'm happy with that. I'm gonna make sure.
Very nice. Look at that.
That
It sounds good. It's neat. Right? That's lovely.
Right, the band's back together, I guess.
The band is back together. You're good, right? She's a driver. Tires and go.
Yeah, tires. U-joint. I think they were.
Oh, it needs a U-joint. Yeah, it's dinging. Yeah.
And a fuel setting unit. But I wasn't buying either of those until I knew it ran good.
Oh, it runs great. Holy cow. Runs like better than new.
Guaranteed.
What a car.
So that's tires, and then instantly gonna go to like Japanese barbecue or something with it because you need like a really overly heavy dinner. That's the kind of car.
That's the kind of car we got here.
Right? Or total like heavy gambler.
Yeah, this is a good casino car for
This is a
sure.
good casino car. Yeah. How will it go?
It's a regular
Same
contributor.
old shit.